like a fucking ratchet. What the fuck is that thing, bro?
Well, that's the airport fucking antenna.
Is it? Alright. I ain't ever...
We used to go up there and smoke the joint inside that thing.
I ain't never...
Inside of it.
Nice. Yeah, I ain't never seen that thing before, so I didn't know what the fuck it was.
It's like a missile silo.
I know, well, that's what I thought. Yeah, I thought it was like some Air Force fucking bullshit thing or whatever the fuck, but goddamn. Hey, this is...
There's a bunch of them, huh?
Yeah, there's like 5 of them over there, 5 or 6. There's one right there on top of... See? Right across the hill there. That's cool. I think this is the backside of that fucking hill we were on last week where we were shooting last week.
Yeah. Well, I gotta go with my bike on.
Alright. Riding like a ratchet. Oh, god damn it. What am I doing out here being a ratchet? God damn it. Where's my bike now?
Go down there?
Okay, whatever. Left side.
Oh no, it's pretty fucked up.
It's all good. Just stay in that rut.
We should probably go down on the side. Down that side up there. And then join back up to it.
Alright. Go ahead. I'm kind of stuck here. good shot off that thing.
Yeah.
That's what I was saying, bro. Shit. No. God damn it. Fuck. Oh, I hate this shit. Fuck. Fuck. God damn it. Why am I having such a hard fucking time today? It's a bad day is riding better than a good day of fucking work. Ugh. Oi! Oh, he gone, bro. God damn it. Fell right into that fucking goddamn shit. God damn it.
Yeah, I go back about that idle on your bike, man. You need to get that thing to idle right.
Yeah, I gotta adjust the screws on it.
Why don't you screw it in?
It's the real small one. I need a screwdriver for it. I can't reach it without the screwdriver. Yeah.
That's the idle screw?
Yeah, it's like way sunk in there, way back in there. I can't get to it unless I have a screwdriver.
Look, that's crazy, man.
Yeah. Let's go back the way we came and fuck it up. Just go.
Hey,
Just go.
hey,
Yeah.
hey, you didn't come down that. You guys come out here last weekend?
Yeah.
I think we saw you guys, 5 of you, right?
Yeah, that was us.
Yeah, yeah.
That was them.
Yeah, we're from Palm Springs area.
Good day to ride. That's
Awesome, man. Yeah, we just tried to go down one of those ravines over here, man. We got stuck.
It happened.
Had to turn around and come back out of it. That's gnarly, pretty gnarly.
Uh,
Yeah, yeah. You guys marking the course or what?
No, we got a little ride this next weekend.
Oh,
That
yeah?
wash is like, you see that one place where I went left? Yeah. And
What
I
year's
said,
your-
shorter left.
650,
I said,
right?
Oh,
I
04?
said, I slowed
04?
down.
Okay.
I said, wait, you got
Oldie
road.
but a goodie, man.
Huh?
Oldie but a goodie.
Yeah, man, it's a bear out here with this thing, man. It's
Oh,
like
yeah.
sand.
They're all the same.
Yeah,
Yep.
yep,
You wrestle the sand.
yep.
Yeah.
I love to see so many KTMs out here.
Yeah.
I'm like, good, thank God I'm not the only one with the KTM out here.
Yeah. Yeah, it is.
Right on.
Big red pig, yeah.
That wash is fun, man.
You guys have
You
to
live
ride
in
this
Palm
weekend,
Springs?
huh?
You live in Palm Springs?
Yeah.
Well, the one year
From
rain,
Palm
there's
Springs,
fucking
too.
slippery ass.
I come out here almost every weekend. I've seen you guys out here almost every weekend too.
Yeah. You live out
I'm
here?
local too.
Yeah,
I
yeah.
graduated. I've been here since '63.
66 for me.
Right on.
You can
Got
ride
your
right on
58.
each other when it rains.
I've been riding out here all my life, man.
Cool.
Me too.
I was born and raised in Palm Springs.
I know. Did you go to Palm Springs High and all
Yeah.
that?
Yeah.
uh,
Every day after, go back to the truck and I'll get a quart of oil inside that gas station right there.
yeah, but will that work? I thought you couldn't put regular.
Oh, that's right, you can't.
Yeah. The bike shop's closed. Everyone's closed on Sundays.
We'd have to go into DHS to a fucking AutoZone or something. Yeah, that guy Jim Robinson, the guy with the blue.
Yeah.
He's an old family friend.
Hell yeah.
Me and my dad built a '65 Mustang fastback.
Oh, and that's the guy that bought it, right?
No, he's the one that built the motor.
Oh shit.
He didn't charge my dad a dime.
Nice.
He said, "You bring me the motor, and I'll fucking build it for you. Bring me the parts. These are the parts that I want."
Yeah.
He has a machine shop in Palm Springs,
Oh shit.
and he builds the baddest fucking motors, dude. Ford. He's a Ford man.
All right.
So he built this fucking horsepower, 600 horsepower,
Nice.
nice and blueprinted.
Fuck.
We had 3-inch dual exhaust on that Mustang, and it fucking needed every bit of it, man.
Fuck,
It was
dude.
sick, dude. Me and my dad go way back, man.
Hell yeah. Hey, look, I just realized I got these pink things on the fucking.
Yeah, he's marking it. He was marking a trail.
Oh, was he?
Yep.
Huh.
I guess he says they're having a ride next weekend,
Uh.
so they're marking the trail.
Yeah. We could get to that AutoZone up in D-Town, but that's way the fuck up there on Palm. So we'd have to really be cutting through a lot of fucking,
Streets.
yeah.
I've done it before.
Problem is do you really want to go that far up there?
I don't want to travel that much on pavement.
Yeah, exactly. Yeah, those dudes.
Those guys are back and forth all over the place, huh?
Yeah, they are. Bunch of lazy ass motherfuckers. They're like, oh, I won't buy another bike without electric start.
Yeah, they are.
I'm like, fucking pansy.
Yep, exactly.
I mean, dude, don't get me wrong. I would love to have electric start, but fuck, dude. Like,
Yeah, this guy right here didn't look that old, and he was like, "Oh, I can't do fucking. I had to kickstart that bike." Oh.
yeah, dude, the dude looked like he was maybe 50 at the oldest. I'm like, the fuck, dude, like, I know I'm only 29, but goddamn, dude, my dad was riding till the 57, 58 years old, still kick-starting a bike, dude.
Yeah.
You know?
So
Yeah.
I guess they're having a ride next weekend, and they're marking a course.
Huh.
That's cool.
Oh, shit.
So that guy, one of those guys, his name is Kenny. He owns that motorcycle shop in Thousand Palms.
There's a bike shop out there?
Yeah, small little fucking hole in the wall.
That's why I didn't know about it, because there was a hole in the wall.
Yeah, I didn't care for the guy because first time I went riding with the group, his group, you know,
Yeah.
we went riding, and he was stopped, and I came up behind him, and he's like, "God damn, he goes, that sounded like a motherfucking freight train coming up behind me." He kept saying stupid remarks about my bike, you know,
Yeah.
and I was like, "Dude, don't even say nothing, man, if you ain't got nothing good to say."
Yeah.
He kept on badgering, you know. That's why he just kept trying to fucking shake me on the ride, man, and I was right there like that on him, like flying shit the whole ride. And he thought he could fucking leave me, you know.
Yeah, dude, they didn't seem like that much of a friendly fucking group, dude.
Yeah. Well, that's hardcore riders right there.
Yeah.
Hardcore old school riders, man.
And I was talking about that shit, dude, in one of my videos too. I'm like, you got these guys that are hardcore fucking riders like that, and they think they're bettering everybody, you know?
Yeah.
It's like, fuck you, dude. Like, I don't know about you or anybody else, but I'm out here to fucking enjoy myself, dude. I ain't trying to be bettering anybody, and I don't give a fuck if you're a better rider than me.
Yeah.
I'm just out here and fucking enjoy myself.
I used to ask Jim, when I used to go to his shop with my dad when they were building the motor, I used to tell him, "Hey, call me up when you go for a ride, man. I'll go with you down." He never called.
Yeah, I'm gonna end this gosh damn video.